I want to tell you about a guy named Richard from Houston. Last summer, Richard's train system started losing capacity, running constantly. Electric bill up 30%. The system was 15 years old, and a well-maintained system with proper protection should last 20 to 25. Richard's had none of that. No surge protector, no soft starter. Builder-grade installation from day one. The compressor seized. Premature failure caused by a lack of protection we're going to talk about preventing today. He called 3 contractors. All 3 gave the same pitch, full system replacement. Quotes, $14,000 to $19,000. Richard is 72, mechanical engineer his entire career. He did his own research. 3 weeks later, fully operational system. Variable speed inverter, 20 SEER, works with his existing ductwork. Total cost, $6,200. He saved over $12,000 by understanding one truth. The industry wants you to buy a box. Smart homeowners build a system. But he never would have pulled it off if he'd found his contractor on Google. At the 5-minute mark, I'm going to show you the wholesale recon method Richard used to find a technician who actually fixes things instead of selling them. It's the only part of this video you cannot find anywhere else. 6 loopholes, starting with the one that could have saved Richard from needing this call in the first place. Loophole. Number 1. Your air conditioner's compressor costs $3,000 to $5,000 to replace. The circuit board that controls it costs $800 to $1,500. A single lightning strike or power surge can destroy both in a fraction of a second. And here's the part that should make you angry. Most manufacturer warranties specifically exclude surge damage. The fix costs less than $300 total. First, install an HVAC surge protector at your outdoor unit. The Intermatic AG3000. About $70. Installs in 10 minutes. 3 modes of surge protection, plus a warranty covering up to $7,500 in connected equipment. Second, install a soft starter on your compressor, the Micro Air Easy Start, around $350. Reduces startup current by up to 75%. Every time your compressor kicks on without one, it pulls 5 to 7 times its running current, and like slamming the gas from a dead stop over and over all day. The soft starter ramps it up gradually. Less stress, less shock, longer life. Richard's system ran 15 years without either. That is why his compressor seized at 15 instead of 25. These 2 components, $300 total, can double your compressor's operational life. The industry wants you to replace equipment. Smart homeowners protect it. But even a protected compressor is useless if your contractor convinces you to tear out the whole system the moment something breaks. That is the lie we're exposing next. Loophole number 2. Here is the biggest lie in the HVAC industry. When your outdoor unit dies, you have to replace everything. That is not engineering. That is marketing. When contractors quote you $15,000, they're replacing the outdoor condenser, indoor coil, air handler, refrigerant lines, and thermostat. But some manufacturers design their outdoor units to work with existing indoor equipment using standard 24-volt control signals, the same protocol the industry has run on since the 1950s. Bosch does this with their IDS platform. Mitsubishi and Daikin offer similar inverter-driven options. The point is not the brand, it's the principle. Keep your indoor equipment, keep your ductwork, upgrade the outdoor unit and evaporator coil. Result, 20 SEER efficiency at roughly 40% of the cost of a full replacement. The catch, most contractors won't offer this because full replacements pay 3 to 4 times more. You have to specifically ask for a hybrid retrofit, and even if they agree, they'll try to oversell you on the size. That is the next trap. Loophole number 3. This one sounds backwards. Stick with me. The industry loves to sell oversized equipment. A 4-ton system when you need 3. They tell you bigger is better. It is a trap. An oversized system short cycles, blasts cold air, hits temperature, shuts off, over and over. Every startup hammers the compressor with 5 to 7 times its running current. And here's the hidden problem. It doesn't run long enough to dehumidify. It cools the air but leaves the moisture. So you set the thermostat to 72 to feel comfortable when 76 should be enough. How do you know if you're being oversold? One way. A manual J calculation. It accounts for square footage, insulation, windows, orientation, climate zone, and air infiltration. If your contractor is sizing by eyeball or matching whatever was there before, they're guessing with your money. Ask for the manual J. If they can't produce one, they cannot prove the system is the right size. That is your leverage, the actual fix. Buy a properly sized system, often 1 ton smaller than what the contractor quotes, and add a dedicated whole house dehumidifier. A Santa Fe Ultra 98 or Aprilaire E100 paired with a right-sized system will outperform an oversized unit in every way. Longer cycles, fewer startups, longer compressor life, and at 50% humidity, 76 degrees feels like 72. You run your system less, and your electric bill drops 15 to 20%. The industry wants you to buy a bigger box. Smart homeowners build a balanced system. Now, remember what I promised you at the top of the video. Here is how you find the contractor who will actually do any of this. Loophole number 4. We've been talking about finding contractors who will actually do hybrid retrofits, who will run a manual J, who will right-size your system instead of overselling it. But how do you find these people? They're not on the first page of Google. They don't run TV ads, and they don't work for the private equity-backed companies sending sales reps to your door. Here's the method the industry absolutely does not want you to know. Find your local HVAC supply house. Wholesale distributors: Ferguson, Johnstone Supply, Wind Supply. These are where contractors buy their parts and equipment. Show up at 7 in the morning. That is when the real technicians come in before their first service call. Walk up to the counter and ask the manager one question. Who comes in here regularly, pays cash, and buys quality parts instead of the cheapest option? The supply house staff know everyone. They know which contractors run legitimate repair operations and which ones are parts changers working for corporate roll-ups. They know who has been in the trade for 30 years and who got hired last month. Get 2 or 3 names. Call them directly. Explain that you want someone who can diagnose and repair, not just replace. These technicians don't advertise. They don't have fancy websites, but they're booked 3 weeks out because word of mouth keeps them full. When your technician shows up, watch one thing. Do they pull out a multimeter or a tablet? A real technician takes measurements. A parts changer reads a script. 2 more loopholes, and these are fast. Loophole number 5. When you buy a new system, the contractor will push a proprietary thermostat. Carrier Infinity, Lennox iComfort, Train Comfort Link. These thermostats only communicate with their matching equipment. They cost $300 to $500 to replace when they fail. Here is the secret. Almost every residential HVAC system in America runs on 24-volt AC control signals. That has been the standard since the 1950s. When a contractor says you need their proprietary thermostat, what they're really saying is, we want to lock you into our ecosystem so you can never use anyone else's equipment. Proprietary thermostats are the electronic handcuffs of the HVAC world. The alternative? A standard smart thermostat. Ecobee, Honeywell Home. Works with virtually any system. Costs $100 to $200. If it fails in 10 years, you replace it yourself in 15 minutes and keep your controls simple and universal. The more proprietary your system, the more dependent you are on one manufacturer's pricing and availability. Loophole number 6. One more. The federal government offered up to $2,000 in tax credits for qualifying heat pump installations through the Energy Efficient Home Improvement Credit, Section 25C. That specific program ended December 31st, 2025, but similar incentives rotate in and out at federal and state levels every year. The lesson is permanent. Whenever government incentives exist, read the fine print yourself. Most of these credits reset annually. You can stage your project across tax years and stack credits that the contractor would never tell you about, because their job is to sell you everything at once. The contractor's job is to close the deal today. Your job is to optimize the deal over time. Those are not the same job. So here is what Richard's $12,000 savings actually looked like as a checklist. Surge protector and soft starter on day 1, $300 that doubles your compressor life. Hybrid retrofit instead of full replacement, saved $8,000. Right-size system with a manual J instead of contractor guesswork, saved $2,000 in unnecessary tonnage. Found his technician through a supply house, not a Google ad. Standard thermostat, not a proprietary handcuff. And he staged his project across tax years. That is not one trick. That is a system for beating a system. The industry wants you to buy a box. Build a system instead.